Somebody went down the highway like this. Okay, now it's on. Alright. First rest area. Guess what? I drove all the way to Virginia for the first time in like a decade. Aren't you proud of me?
Very good.
Alright, you can
On me.
There is. Is there a hot poodle right next to you?
Yes.
Hi, hot poodle.
Blue, say hi.
Hi. All right, we're getting in the car in just a second as soon as Big Keith gets back, okay?
Yes.
And then back on the road. Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Okay, guess what? This is the first time in like a decade I have driven on the highway, and we went from Fort Mill, South Carolina, and we are now just into Virginia. It's the first time I've done that, and we're getting ready to go into the mountains. That should be really fun. I'll show you the mountains. Hold on one second. Okay, you see those mountains over there? Yeah, here's Mealy. We're driving through that. I have my car. I am chasing. Where's my car? There it is. There's my bug. So we are getting ready to go there next. Woo! So we are staying at this campground down from here. We're outside of Charleston, West Virginia. Isn't that cool in the mountains? There's like a Walgreens, Family Dollar. Pizza, we're gonna get pizza. We're only staying here one night. Look, the mountains are smoking. Very cool. I just have to say that this is the coolest grocery store ever. We are in Elkview, West Virginia, just outside of Charleston, West Virginia. And we bought $21 worth of wine, and it was 6 bottles. And it was good stuff, like Fat Bastard and things. So anyway, love this, love you. Coming back. Oh, the poppy's crying. Do you want coffee too? No coffee for you. Here's the smart thing to do with coffee. Put the creamer in first. If it's liquid creamer, you don't have to stir it with a spoon. That's my tip of the day. Okay, we're taking a drive through, oh, there's a bug in here, through Lazy K Campground in Elkview, West Virginia. See how the mountains are smoking? So there are people that live here, and then also people that camp here. This place is very pretty. Deep in the woods. They're like, be careful, there could be bear. There's people up here.
Is he gone?
Probably. Katelyn said there was a bug in here.
I don't like bugs.
Nope. We were going to try and find the dump station, and also we were going to try and find...
Seems like a little shopping store.
Yeah, that, and also the trash. So, right up this way. We're in my bug right now. The RV's back there.
The poodle is with us. Say hi.
There's the poodle.
Blue, say hi. Look at the camera and say hi. Good girl.
Alrighty. Bumpy road. Sorry for the bouncing.
Don't get car sickness, poodle.
Alright, we're gonna look for it. Okay, so up here, I think that's a cabin. Pretty sure that this is a cabin that you can rent out. Katelyn's my filmer now. Film down there in this area. Look at all that back in the woods. But yeah, here's a cabin. Look, it's River Haven Cabin. Okay. Oh, I found the trash. Hold on 1 second, and I will dump this trash. You can film me if you want to. Let me get the trash. Pizza was really good. Really good. Sorry about the wind. This place, woo, deep in the forest. Deep. This whole place is, I'm sure there's all kinds of scary little animals around here. We haven't seen any yet. We're hoping we don't really see anything big. But we are on the hunt for the dump station. If we can't find it, we'll probably have to dump our tank somewhere else. I just don't want to take a full tank or a half full tank or even a quarter full tank up to Ohio. So, all right. So there's the trash. We saw that. Look at this. Hold on, I gotta show you the sign. Look at that. Let the lazy days begin. There's that cabin.
If you're allowed to
And
go
then, no, I think you have to rent it out. And then go ahead. You can film.
There's no little shopping store down in here.
Not that I saw yet. All right, let's see if we can find the dump station. Here, let me see this one more time. It says, there's Lazy K's Campground. Welcome, friends. And there's the number if you need some firewood. Yeah. This hill, we went up this hill yesterday, and my Beetle almost did not make it. That was crazy. Plus, I'm super low to the ground, so it was scraping on everything.
I got 2 words for you.
What?
Buy a Jeep.
Buy a Jeep? That's 3 words. See how dense this is? It's crazy. This city girl is not used to this much foresty country living. This is more foresty living, I guess. There's some other RVs down here. You can see them. Get around to the clearing. See, there's some others down through here. See them a little bit better over here. People. There's other sites up this way. This guy has Christmas lights on. It's so cute. I have no idea where the dump station is. I'm gonna have to go on the website and see if I can find it. We might keep driving around. There's Mealy. There's Mealy. See my Mealy. There we go. Coming around. There's my Mealy. Sorry about the bumpy. And my neighbor, Steve, we're a Jayco. And our neighbor is also a Jayco. Alright. We're gonna keep driving. We'll see what we can find. We just drove up to this back area. Here's another Jayco. Love me some Jaycos. We are still on the hunt for the dump station. Here, do you want to film, Katelyn? Look at that over there. Number 16, they're living large. Oh,
Very
private,
nice.
do not enter. All right, you can. You know what? We do have sewer. Here, okay, look. Okay, I just noticed there's a plug. That sewer line right there, that must be the sewer. So I guess our site does have sewer. I didn't think we did. We'll have to check that out. We will go look right now. So yeah, it looks like we do have sewer. I think we have sewer right there. Well, we can dump there then. Yay. Okay, I like this place so much, I'm coming back. I've got Katelyn with me. I want to show her the cool things they have in here. This is a very cool kind of just local grocery store. Let's see. No pets. Chili, look at all the candy. And all the camping supplies. Yeah. I just really, really like this. Alright, I'm not going to film too much. I'll let Katelyn pick some candy.
Okay, now.
Do you see it? Do you see the railroad track? Isn't that cool? That's an overgrown old railroad track. Yeah. Very neat. Alright, we're back at the campground now. Time to turn in. Okay, Blue and I are going to explore near the campsite. I noticed over here, come on Blue, there is a creek. Come on Blue, come look at this. Ooh, sorry. Look. There's this little creek down here. I'm sure there's all kinds of scary little animals. But it's really pretty. What do you think, Blue? Very peaceful. Look how high these trees are. Keep going. I can see the sun. There's the sun through the trees. If you had solar on your RV, this would be a little bit rough for you. There's our neighbor. And there we are. It's a very nice, serene little place. The dog is very much into wanting to go down, but nope, we're not doing that. Mommy doesn't do bugs. Come on, Blue. Come on. Very, very, very pretty. I think they have like a canoe kind of rafting and stuff like that down here too, but we are only here for the night. So we are headed up to Ohio. It's pretty, huh? Very pretty. I just wanted to show you this. This I found interesting. This is a site that is open near us because we're over there. But all their stuff is here, but they're not here, so I don't know if they've gone out for a few days or whatever because they weren't here yesterday. But their hose is here, their stinky slinky, their inverter. So I'm just curious about that. But yeah, even like, I guess these are their levelings. My dog's pulling on me. Seeing this creek. Of course, Blue is happy to go back down.
I wish we could go down
Look
there.
at it. Ah.
You want to go play down there? Well, there's a little safe spot right here we can kind of walk towards. Maybe we can...
I mean, there's a picnic table. I'm just scared of animals.
I'm afraid of cats. There ain't nothing down here to be scared of.
There could be snakes.
I ain't scared of no damn
There could be
snake.
nakes.
I ain't scared of no damn snake. I'll chop his damn head off.
With what?
A knife.
A knife? Do you have a knife on you right now?
No. Look, here's a little safe spot we can walk to.
Go ahead.
Wanna go down? Want to see the lake?
Go ahead.
Hey, baby, it's safe. Come here. Want me to carry you? Oh, poor frightened baby. Now I have to be careful as not to bust my ass. It's not funny!
Don't bust your ass.
Remember, if I do bust my ass, I'm not letting them take me to the hospital.
Yeah, no shots. All right, that's it.
Let her play in the water.
No, she's not playing in the water. She'll smell.
Let her. Scrappy and Gabby did it, and it wasn't no harm.
All right, look at me and say hey.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm in the lake area.
You're in the creek.
I hope nothing jumps out and tries to latch onto my leg or bite me.
Yeah, me too. All right, come back up.
Wait, the dog
Come on, Blue.
You don't want to drink that.
Yeah, come on, Blue.
She's like, damn you, I wanted to play.
You're gonna smell.
Help me.
There you go.
Help me.
Blue, pull her up. Come on, help her. There you go.
Good poodle.
Good job. All right, here's another little cabin just past our site. Isn't it cute? I don't want to get too close because I don't want to disturb anybody who's there. But that's the Misty Valley cabin. Isn't that cute? Really pretty. And then our sites. You can kind of see my car all the way over there. All right, Katelyn.